We arrived at Fireside Campsite and we were very happy. It was a beautiful place, but we would have taken a different road if we had realized how steep it was the direction we came up the switchbacks of the mountain. We struggled a little bit and there was an easier way, but we didn't know it at the time. Here are the Grand Teton Mountains, so beautiful. When French-Canadian explorers came, they dubbed it the Trois Tetons for the three breasts, and it later became known as the Grand Teton mountain range. We stayed at this resort for a few days. It was still pretty cold. We have mountain weather, of course, so when you're up at high elevations, you get a lot of snow, rain. It can get a little bit warmer during the day, but at night it often goes down to below 0 Celsius. So we were often dressed very warmly. We went for some great hikes and we enjoyed beautiful days next to the mountains and streams and waterfalls, and we saw lots and lots of wildlife while we were there. Our heater got a really good workout as usual throughout the whole trip, but it didn't get us down. We just enjoyed every single bit of it and had some amazing days in the Tetons. Animals were extremely abundant. We saw plenty of elk everywhere in large herds, and even at one point we saw a herd of 50 elk with one moose standing in the middle, and he stood out quite dramatically because he was at least 1.5 feet taller than all the elk. Then there were the pronghorn antelope, which were beige and white with a little bit of black at the neck. And luckily along our drive back we saw 3 grizzly bears in the distance.
We're stuck in a long line of traffic, and even though the temperature outside says that it's about 16 degrees, it is like big snow chunks, rainy snow chunks hitting the windshield. Craziness, and we don't know why it stopped way up ahead, but we've been stopped for probably about 20 minutes now. You can see the collection of hail and snow that's gone even on the side of the mirror. And the road, you can't really tell right now, but there was a lot of little hailstones all over the road.
You remember that poor guy on a motorcycle?
Yeah, tell them about it, Mike.
Oh, some poor guy was riding by on a motorcycle.
That's it?
That's all we have to say.
Here's all the hail on the side of the road. And it's coming in the window.